why we light fireworks tonight. They rented a room under Parliament, rolled in 30 barrels in the dead of night. Filled with gunpowder, there would be no survivors. This is the tale of Bonfire Night. On Bonfire Night, they tried to light up the sky and blow up the king in a ball of fire. But the fuse was never burned, their plot was overturned, and that's why we light fire.